Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for math and physics step by step. First, focus on active learning. Don't just read, truly engage with the material. Try to understand the why behind each concept, not just the what. After grasping a concept, immediately work through several practice problems. This immediate application helps cement the knowledge in your mind, making it much easier to recall later. Aim for at least 5 to 10 problems per new topic. Next, mastering problem solving is crucial for both math and physics. Don't just do the easy problems, challenge yourself with a diverse range. When you solve a problem, focus on the process and the underlying principles, not just getting the correct numerical answer. If you make a mistake, take time to understand why. This review process is invaluable for identifying and correcting any misunderstandings. Try to solve at least 20 unique problems per chapter. Third, always strive for a deep conceptual understanding. Math and physics build upon foundational ideas, so connecting new information to what you already know is vital. Consider creating concept maps or drawing diagrams to visualize relationships between different topics. Regular review of key formulas and principles, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, will keep them fresh. Explaining a concept to a friend is an excellent way to solidify your own grasp of it. Finally, consistency is key to long-term success. Instead of cramming, aim for daily study sessions of about 1 hour. Make full use of all resources available to you, such as your textbook, online tutorials, and academic support. Joining a study group can provide new perspectives and help clarify challenging topics. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 minutes every 25 minutes, to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. This approach yields significant results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.